It's beautiful. Look at this beautiful hair. Like it's just it's everything. Like I just so excited. What's up, guys? It's your girl K Couture, and I'm back to you today with another hair tutorial. This is actually the same unit that I had in a previous video. This is from Eullair. I'm not sure how to pronounce it, but I will leave it in the description box for you guys. I will leave the wig link, all the details for this beautiful, beautiful, guys. Honestly, I was feeling away about the red at first, but now that I curled it and like styled it a little different, you know, I'm feeling it. Like I'm feeling it, and I'm happy to have this unit back on. Make sure you guys are following me on Instagram so you guys can see pictures of this unit and just all my Instagram content. It's just Instagram's just a fun time, so make sure you're following me on Instagram. But yeah, during this video I will be showing you guys the full install of, you know, this whole entire look, the from the straight backs to this. Okay, so if you guys would like to see that, keep on watching, and make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel because I do hair, I do weight loss videos, I do, you know, videos about being an entrepreneur, videos, just I do a bunch of stuff. Okay, so I put a lot of time and effort into this YouTube thing, so make sure you guys are actually enjoying it and, you know, getting everything that I'm putting out there. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so boom, the first thing I'm going to be using is my Got To Be gel. I just put that all around my edges and just brush it back with my edge brush, and then I put my stocking cap on top. I do this first just because I don't like any of my hairs to be moving forward when I'm trying to like lay down my stocking cap. Like I don't want none of the hairs coming forward when I pull the cap forward or anything like that. So by doing this, I just keep my edges nice and slick back under my stocking cap. So now that that's done, I'm going to go ahead and put my stocking cap on. Y'all, this stocking cap is so tight. Like, I don't know where I got these from, but they came in a pack of like 5 of them for like $2. But they are so tight. Like, I feel like the other stocking caps, you kind of have some room to like slide it back or slide it forward. This wouldn't even come down. Like, you ever see the videos where people have the stocking caps on and they like cut the eye sockets out? Like, you'd never be able to get this over your eyes and over your head because it's so tight. But I do actually kind of like that. So yeah, now I have my stocking cap on, and I'm going to start spraying down my stocking cap with my Got To Be spray. But then I realized that I didn't cut my ears out yet, so I actually am going to cut my ears out. You should do that first before you start to do your spray. So now that my ears are out, I'm going to go ahead and continue to spray and just smooth that out. You want to cut your ears out first because you just want everything to lay really, really nicely when you're, you know, setting your foundation for your new cap. So now I'm just blow drying that. I feel like the blow drying process takes forever, so I speeded this up and cut it because it just takes entirely too long. So yeah, I'm going to fast forward that. But once it's dry, then I apply my second coat of Got To Be spray, and then I blow dry yet again. Yeah, I don't know why I'm a little bit extra. I do 2 coats every single time. So now that that's nice and dry, it's time for me to cut my wig cap. So I'm just taking some scissors right here, and I'm going to cut it up to, you know, like the edge of where I sprayed at. You could kind of see the line. So I cut it up to there, and then I use a razor comb just to make it a little bit more precise, a little bit closer to my actual hairline, because I don't have a really big forehead, so I pretty much line my wigs pretty much like right in front of my hairline. So I like to use a razor comb to make sure that I'm getting as close as possible to my hairline without being actually on my hairline. Now I'm just taking my foundation brush and just rubbing on all that excess foundation. I didn't put any on the brush, but I'm just going to go ahead and rub that along my hairline just to, you know, assist with the blending. So now I'm taking my boho. No, I'm taking my boho lace glue and just putting that right in front of my wig cap. And then I'm going to use the end of my razor comb, and I'm going to use that to smooth out the glue. You could really use whatever you want. You could use a popsicle stick. You can use whatever you want. So once that first layer is done and dry, you're going to go ahead and add your second layer of glue. This is really important because you definitely want to make sure that your wig is going to stay. So some people even do 3 layers of glue, but it ain't that deep for me. So I'm going to do my second layer of glue, and then once the second layer is dry, then you are ready for your wig, girl. Bam, there she go. Y'all, I really was not, I'm not gonna lie, like I was not excited about the red hair because I don't know, everyone loves it, but it was just me. Like I was just a little self-conscious, not self-conscious, but I don't know, it took me a little while to get into it. But anyway, so now I am just lining up my frontal to see where I want things to lay, what's going on with it. So I like to do it by sections. I'm going to do the side first, and then I'm going to just make my way around the frontal. Don't be scared to line it up and play with it a little bit, see where it needs to go. Like just don't be scared of your frontal. Lay the frontal, don't let the frontal lay you. So now I'm just going to take my comb and smooth everything into place. I'm going to use that to press down the glue, press the frontal into, press the frontal into the glue. And I'm also going to use my blow dryer to go ahead and dry that down. This hair was actually still wet when I put it on. So yeah, I'm going to have to blow dry the hair also. You'll see that next. But right here, I'm pretty much just blow drying that glue. Don't worry that it might look like, there's a little bit of balding, a little bit of, maybe not balding, but, the lace can be cleaned up a little bit, which you still can do. So you guys are going to see me go back in with the scissors and just cut off any excess lace. Yeah, right here, see? Like, I'm just going to go in and just get up under that lace right there and just cut it off. Looks better already. But yeah, don't worry about, you know, anything that you see that's extra. We're going to go back in and fix it. So right here, I'm going to take my makeup brush and I'm just going to like brush over the lace, because I did forget to do this before I put the unit on. I forgot to run my brush over the lace before I put it on. So it's not a problem. You can always do it afterwards, like I'm doing right here. And as you can see, it's giving me scalp already. See? See what a difference that makes already? Wow. Scalp. So since this hair is wet, I'm going to start blow drying right now to the best of my ability. I sped this up super fast because no one wants to watch somebody blow dry their hair. Yeah. So I'm going to blow dry it to the best of my ability, and then we're going to get to the styling. Alright, so last time I had this unit on, I had a middle part, so I decided that this time I was going to do a side part with some curls, a deep side part at that. So yeah, let's just get started with that. Look how like, it's like this hair is like thick. It's not like a thin, like silky hair. It's more of a coarse kind of hair, which I absolutely love because it gave me really nice curls, and the curls stayed all day long. So right here, I'm just like figuring out where I want my part, how I want to lay my baby hairs, all that jazz. Yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. I'm gonna recommend to always play with your baby hairs, play with your hairline, like see what you like, what you don't like, and then you'll know for the future, you know, what kind of things you like to use for your baby hairs and stuff. So right here, I'm actually using the black bottle of the Got2b gel. That's what I like to use for my baby hair because I think it makes it stay longer, quite frankly. So you'll see me go back and forth between the hot comb, the gel, my style stick. That's pretty much how I get the mold together for how I want my hair to lay. You'll pretty much see in this clip right here what I mean. Well, the next couple of seconds, you'll see like the hair starts to really take its form. You'll start to be able to see like, oh, okay, this is actually going to be like a cute, lit kind of hairstyle. Like, you just got to play with it until you have it looking the way that you desire for it to look. So now I'm going to start curling my hair. This is just a regular curling iron that I just took the barrel part off of. This is a 1.5 inch, no, 1 1/4 inch curling iron that I just took the barrel off of and made it into like a wand type of thing. I'm forever doing that if I can't find a wand that's the size that I want. But anyway, yeah, these curls really didn't take me much time. They took 13 or 14 minutes real time. to do, because this is, like I said, this is not like really long hair or anything like that. So I'm just doing all my curls the same way. I'm curling it away from my face. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I did the same exact thing on both sides. I curled away from my face on both sides. As you can look at that, big. Yeah, and we are done. We are finished. I just comb my curls out a little bit on both sides. I played with my hair just a little bit to get it to lay exactly how I want it to lay. I have to tuck that little strap in the back from the unit. But other than that, like, y'all, this is pretty much it. Like I said, I'm gonna play with it a little bit, fluff it up a little bit. But yeah, that's about it for this video, y'all. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Oh, excuse me. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And until next time, guys, stay positive and be blessed. Make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel. And also follow me on Instagram at k.couture. Make sure you guys go check out Eullair to see any other bomb units they have on their site. I know I love this one. So yeah, guys, that's about it. Until next time, stay positive and be blessed.